Massive power outage, leaving 40,000 residents in the dark.
They are a lifesaver.
And look at that, voila. If there is some kind of a power outage due to a severe weather event or somebody messing around with the power grid, these things kick on to provide 6 hours of light and safety for the whole household.
When the power goes out, the lights come on, which I think is like magic.
They're the best, most convenient, affordable thing that I've found on the market. And they are giving us total peace of mind.
No flashlights with dead batteries, no fire hazards, and no noisy generators.
And I put these in my mom's house. She lives alone. These things just make me feel like, okay, at least she's safe. If something happens, she's got enough light till I can get down there and help her out.
Super convenient, super affordable, incredibly easy to use. And here is the amazing hook that allows you to just hang it any old place.
And it also takes 80% less energy, so I'm saving money on the bulbs. And meanwhile, they are charging and storing energy so that when the power goes out, my lights just come right on.
They are the most convenient and affordable solution for emergency lighting out there.